at my uncle's dairy farm, and today I'm going to show you around what we've got here. So first, if we look down there, there's a security dog, and if you're not from the place, he would bark at you and yell at you to get out. And now the main part, we've got loads of cows. So this is the first cow, and they've not got any names. I'll just say cow, 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 cow. So this is the first cow, and these mostly are female. So this is a female cow. This one is also female. This is female. This is female. This is female. These two are the only males here. And then this is cow 7, cow 8, the biggest one, cow 9, cow 10, cow 11, cow 12, cow 13, cow 14, cow 15, cow 16. Approximately 16 cows here. And yeah, it's quite messy, but they make most of the milk today. So I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye!